Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to install NVMe SSD in HP ProTower 290G9 PC and install Windows explanation. So let's go. This is the PC. It's a new PC. Here you see hard disk installed on this PC. I will install and upgrade SSD. So first of all, we need to disassemble the back part of the computer. After removing it, here you see the screws. I will unscrew the screw and remove this part from the case. We will remove the part. First we will remove the front part of the computer. For that we will remove 3 lock of front part. Here you see, I will remove it. We turn the part from the case, look like that. And second, this is hard disk and this one is SSD slot, m.2 NVMe slot. For that need a m.2 NVMe and we will remove this part. We will install SSD. Now we will need a small screws to secure the SSD. Basically need to a small screws, looks like a laptop screws, and set it and tightened. After completing install SSD, we will assemble the part and need to install Windows. Need a bootable pen drive for install Windows. Insert the pen drive and press the power button and pressing F9 for boot menu one more time. And after coming this display, here you see this is UEFI. You will select UEFI because this motherboard have already UEFI BIOS mode. That's why you will select UEFI. Next, install Windows and here click check mark. Next, install Windows. And here you see the lot of partition which is hard disk partition. I will delete all the partition because of some error in my hard disk. If you want to delete all the partition of your hard disk, you need to backup must. If you don't have any problem in your hard disk, you just delete system, restore, recovery and C drive. You will use it for only storage. Before deleting C drive, you must need to back up the data, otherwise you will lost it. I will delete all my partition and I will select SSD and install Windows. After installing Windows, I will make partition from disk management. I will show you after installing Windows. Stay. After expanding Windows file, the PC will restart, and after restarting, I will remove the pen drive from the USB port because I don't know what is the first boot priority in my BIOS setup. For that, I will remove from PC. This PC will restart automatically and completing the Windows. Before continuing this process, you disconnect the internet connection from the PC. Click I don't have internet and limited connection, and here you put in a username. If you disconnect the internet, you will get save 5 minutes. Windows installation complete. Now I will create hard disk partition. For that, I will go this PC and right click disk management, and here you see two device, SSD and hard drive. Hard disk has no partition. I will create partition, and all partition make same size. For that, I will calculate the size and I will put the size. You see the process. I will make 4 partition. For that, I will divide it by 4, and after coming this result, I will put the size. All the partition will same size. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefit from this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.